At some point in our lives, most of us will stop renting and become a homeowner. The question is, how do you know when it's a good time to take that leap? If you've been thinking about taking that step, you've come to the right place. Let's talk about that now and let's create that connection. Justin Cotton here. Today, I'm excited to talk about the 5 ways you know you're ready to ditch your rental. Number 1, you're ready to take back your financial future. When you're renting, you're paying your landlord's mortgage and putting your hard-earned money into their pocket. When you become a homeowner, you start building your wealth. In the US, owning a home is one of the best ways to grow your wealth. Number 2, you're ready to settle down. Whether you're single, engaged, married, or expecting, finding a new home may feel like the natural next step. A good rule of thumb is if you plan on sticking around for 5 to 7 years, it might be time to put down roots. Number 3, you're ready for more responsibility. When you're renting, your landlord is ultimately responsible for everything. This is not the case when you own a home. There are several responsibilities that you'll need to learn to embrace. Things like repairs, landscaping, and managing utilities are all a part of owning a home. Number 4, you got some savings. Between a down payment, closing costs, moving expenses, and extra funds on the side, it pays to have savings set aside. Number 5, your finances are solid. During the home loan process, we'll look at your credit score, your debt, and your income history to see if you're ready for that next step. If that sounds scary, don't worry. The good news is you don't have to have a perfect credit score. A few bumps and dings are totally normal. Well, there you have it. If you think you're ready, I'm so excited for you. I can't wait to help you take the first step in your home buying journey. You can get started by calling my team and I at 501-303-4203 or send us an email. You can also post a comment or question below. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hit the like button, give us a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. See you next time.